Morning everyone. Today we will discuss two topics: devices used for space research and first trip to the moon. Okay, what do you think is present beyond the Earth? What is there in that space? How do you know about it? Okay, this picture shows the space. This is a place beyond the Earth. The stars, the moon, the planets, and are in it. Scientists have been doing research to find out more about this space. The study is known as space research. Okay, today we will learn about devices used by the scientists for their space research. But what are the different devices used for space research? The first one is the telescope. The telescope is an instrument or a device that are used by the scientists or that help scientists to observe objects in the space closely from the Earth. Like for example, the stars, the planets. The second one, this is the spacecraft, a machine or a device that is used to fly in over the space. Or astronauts go to the space using this machine. Again, this is a spacecraft. Next one, we have here a rockets. Okay, artificial satellites are launched into space through rockets. These rockets help scientists send artificial satellites and aircrafts into the space. And this one is the artificial satellites. Artificial satellite because it is made by human. Natural satellite is that is what we call the moon. Artificial satellite and natural satellites, they have the same function, which is to revolve around the Earth. Artificial satellite Artificial satellite collect information about celestial bodies or heavenly bodies, not only our planet, but as well as some other object in the space. Okay, do you know what is there's a space or the artificial satellite sent into space by the Philippines on March 23, 2016, and it was named Diwata 1. Why spacecrafts are important for space research? Okay, humans can travel into space without spacecrafts, right? And they cannot and they can orbit around the Earth and other heavenly bodies. It helps astronauts to stay in space and carry out research. That's why spacecrafts are very important. Okay, since we already discussed the devices used for their space research, now let's talk about their first trip to the moon. Okay, who were the first astronauts to land on the moon? When did they go? Okay, I have here a picture. Okay, here's here, here they are. Okay, first trip to the moon happened in 1969. Neil Armstrong was okay. Start from the left. This one is Neil Armstrong, Michael Collins, and and Buzz Aldrin. How was this trip to the moon was useful for space research? Okay, the first trip to the moon was useful for space research as astronauts gathered a lot of information about the moon. This helped scientists to learn more about the moon and conclude that life is not possible there. Research workers continue to study more about it. Okay, by the way, let's go back to Neil Armstrong, the first astronauts. Okay, these astronauts traveled to the moon in the space named Apollo 11. They took photographs and collected information about the moon's surface. Then, they brought the soil from there. Neil Armstrong described the moon's surface as powdered charcoal. Okay, that's it. Thank you.